Hello everyone, I'm Eddie. I'm the service evangelist from Allxon. Today I'm more than happy to have the opportunity to introduce the Edge AI remote management solution co-developed by Advantech and Allxon. We bring the in-band and out-of-band remote management services to all Edge AI devices to help businesses save on time and cut out exponential labor costs. So, in this course, I will guide you step by step on how to enroll the Advantech devices onto the Allxon portal and demonstrate various functionalities we provide. Key features include the zero-touch fleet provisioning, over-the-air NVIDIA Jetson BSP update, and the out-of-band power management capabilities on MIC Jetson platform. I hope this video assists you in understanding how to leverage Advantech devices with Allxon fleet management services, ensuring your Edge AI projects benefit from development to deployment and maintenance. Stay tuned.